Hey everyone, hope you're having a great evening. I'm going to let you listen to the engine a little bit. Getting a little bit of a ticking sound. It's really annoying actually. It's gotten worse. So listen to this and see if that's what you guys get too. It's most noticeable when it's lower RPM, like 1,000 to 2,000 or so. And of course, you don't hear it when it's raining, only when it's dry, quiet road. I can hear on an idle too, and I'm starting to wonder what it is, and maybe the oil. The Kirkland full synthetic 020. Maybe this engine doesn't like it. Because that's the only thing I've changed since. And after the oil change, I'm getting this silly tick, and it's really annoying. Sounds like a lifter tick, but I'm not too sure. Let me know what you guys think.